How can I tell whether my projects are on track? Resource Guru gives you a powerful chart for exactly this. But before we get there, let's quickly set up the essentials you'll need to get accurate budget tracking. First, set up your company rate card. You'll find it under Settings. Choose your currency, add the roles you use in your projects, set the billable rates for each, and assign those roles to your team members. That's your foundation in place. Next, head to the Projects section. Open a project and jump into the Budget tab. Here you can set your budget either as a total fee or by total hours, depending on how you prefer to manage the project. Now move to the Team tab. Whenever you add a project booking to someone, they'll automatically appear in the team with the rate assigned from your rate card. You can override that rate for this project if needed. You can also manually add people to the team without adding bookings, and hide team members who used to work on the project. For longer projects, hiding former contributors keeps your schedule much cleaner, especially when grouping the schedule by project. Once that's set, you're ready to start tracking burn. As you build out your schedule and add project bookings, Resource Guru automatically calculates projected costs in the background. Let's head to Reports and open the individual project chart. This view gives you an instant sense of your project's financial health. If you're using timesheets, you'll see the impact of both actual hours already logged, seen here as the blue solid line, and future scheduled hours, seen as the purple dashed line, on your budget. If timesheets are switched off, the projection uses scheduled hours only. Here, I can see that with the hours already logged and the future hours I've scheduled, this project is heading over budget. That means I either need to adjust the remaining bookings or prepare for a tricky conversation with the client.